Hi everyone, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. And success is what brings us to this striking and must-see property in Zambales. With our enthusiasm on finding you the best property, we found this vacant lot located in Barangay Sakatihan, Subic, Zambales. With a total land area of 2,862 square meters secured with land title. The property is located along the road and it's a flat level with a panoramic mountain view of Sakatihan Hills, as if it's within your reach. The property is located right in the boundary between Subic and Castillejos, which is another urbanized municipal in Zambales. Though we mentioned urbanized, communities here has observed and preserved the farming culture. Still, old folks here are engaging in agricultural activities such as rice and crops farming, paying homage to our age-old culture. Owners of this lot will be able to get the best of both worlds, being few minutes drive from Olongapo City and Subic Bay Freeport Zone and less than an hour from Zambales tourist destinations, and with just a quick 2.5-hour drive from Metro Manila. The property is near to the public market, utilities provider, and shopping malls such as SM Save More and Subic Walter Mart. Located near the property also are the big developments like condominiums and exclusive subdivisions, and a number of businesses that boost the economy and also the value of investments, just like this one that we are showing you. Because having a property in Subic are a sound investment, as it doubles its value every 2 years. And not to mention the business capability and potential of Subic being one of the urbanized municipal in Zambales. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and tripping through our contact number posted. Subic Zambales have many amazing attractions to visit and offers a lot of exciting things to do. Located in Central Luzon region and being on the westernmost side of Luzon Island, most of the activities it offers has something to do with water. But there are also more to just enjoying the beaches in Subic and Zambales province. You can also enjoy hiking, go island hopping, camping, and have a lovely staycations in glam sites and so much more. There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view and I'll see you on the other side. If you feel this property is for you or your family, dial our numbers today or message us on Facebook. You can also leave us a message on our Viber, WhatsApp, and on our email. We at Zambales Realty are more than happy to serve you and assist you land a wonderful estate like this. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, because we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe. So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting. I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact our team. We are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.